Let me stop the music. The music get as e be. Now good morning, my brothers and sisters. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Well, don't have your time. We're sorry, because my weather is not good, so I won't weather here. So we'll take him in the voice image. If not, see, when he was a girl. Temena when you are rush rita why we make baby line in the yoni even gani ando ya tota dwa tale tata toto so here ni here when you water ite we ma oni sunu je nyo bia na efe bright okay down where Italy we uje I dey shame for you ekwe we wa mume because I mean, you will live video no Italy re. Iye meta problem anyway. Ya sorry to say, you didn't work for that man. You didn't work because you are not. I say 40 years. So also now we meta problem because when you very sorry. You watch some video where the YouTube. I'm so disappointed. Yare where Italy boy naje. Wa na nyi ye na gemi ati also another with so well. Why agree my brothers and sisters? Because ya no nyive na all son me. Not only live video, even from your marriage home. Because it's only gwa keme na kedwa de. Man whether magume gwa yo ha wonwe worry me na no. Ya de okay here na do gwa kan. Wana nyiye na ya we no ma nyive na ga amu ha. Wana nyiye yoniye. Oh damn where you Italy carry you continue when we reach you we respect efe mami o bia na respect ohu ogi nyari oja wo bonegbe we me respect morita mu we na touchable mama morita ma we Italy nu we je ni emekere e capito cosa sto dicendo o bia na me respect no hu he disliking ya he liking ya for nothing he liking ya ene nu weta unu aya ewu me respect benu ya go kwo aya ewo bia na no you are no me respect e ga die live video do a deceive ma many meje o nobody can deceive me because ene no matter la dia unu e ha ya ewo ma na ya setiri o wele lehia u wa la die live video owo han we u wa gogbo wa ri okwo bahwo u ha mi bia ya fefe we ni ari okwo bahwo you are a traditional man you are this you are this why traditional the traditional man u ya we be do uyawe do uyawe inya ni kwebere nene we myself won be genye yawe marriage court marriage yan yawe ne gbe ho yan yi woli tradition yan total yo wa die ma no do deceive ma we wa do ri okwo ba ho wa zo na ri ba ho we no we court marriage we abi e komu we na we marriage amana be divorce first wife na be settle be marry over affair right e deceive ma are respect no wo han we first of all wa dame deti me ogu we kenu jeni mo bu we ade one ya no sense ma bu kan we very oni but since Italy weje respect your wife na de live video do amu family wo kan we gboto e ga ni hona ri okwo no ri ha mi han do amu ya gboto me live video how dare you are o bia na respect no ho he dislike yan na mi we nu ka wa we se una do amu ho una do aro wi ho ile ko man ya to okwo bi we okwo ri yo wa o be mo moko so I feel bright unu we ni doleji ima the first time ya that is the second time ya go we gwan na the first time ka go we gwan ima so anywhere because I was so disappointed with Italy carry na we so anywhere but for this one ma go me ya zin yo see na so anywhere ya wa like YouTube wa ro wi ku o wa mo ko la jun wa tie boni anyhow me na be mi ko na mo nyime re mi bia na mo nyime obeve vaje where ne unyini ato ogwa me wa jo anu we dagwa mo family wo kun we ajo no do aro binya ma be the last video no wo ha na we e fe ibrati pa nu gegbe okin abi ma watch wo kan we ga gwa background e family wo kan we ma the one ma o bia no gwa nu ya gwa e dislike yan ana wa me wu ka we mi sika gani ade bet me nu ya go ho gwa me live video I ma like stop e ma no Italy re yan biye vive ni yan wa bada bidi me nu ya wona e Germany okpa odoni wa gwi obe man re Germany o wa ya no ro eso no wa bezu owo eni wa bezu o me Germany odoni so edo amu e mani kitali gbo to yan do amu yan gbo to e ma ohu awemi ohu bia no bia ohu na wemi o we iru iye de reply we because ibe me ho be no je wo wa oni okpia na gbe oho e mami okpia na ebu ani ati ewu marapa o wo ga to pa yen do ati gbe uwa ewu marapa wa no aka no ho egu wegun wa wo ko be latin wa wo ko pa do o kan be do afi pa wa wo ko kan be do ati ebo na egbe a real man don't behave like that. A real man behave even no ya behave. So try no fear nani with ye, so do amu ma nikita lire do amu ya gboto. It's not oma gbabere oni. My behave even na go zuo. Ni ma wa behave say oma awemi oku awemi u take away no. Asik oku ni dey gboko we wa. So when we do unko respect wo kan we wa on your wife no wa da me say stop pay. Try to respect okoni no bien weni won because oku are le bo ma be no jare je ba ni ye so e ga we gbe ti e bo ni ku e we gbe dan won ti e bo no ku e ka we wa ye family wo kan we oku we ni meje wo kan we ni hin una we gbe dan won idu awe ajo yo wo hun so stop that rubbish first of all so wo kan we ni e ge ma do afi pe geru da we because ru do we e yan afi pe ge ho ni o ma me no we man in real life video wo si e. So stop that rubbish ni stop do me winner ya win 8 hours wa ke 8 hours re o mana mi you vie mu e vin are pako joke ya vin aku no ado ya we rubbish be live video do ati e boni ku e je we gbe sunu try no understand o ho be we u be mo ho anu ri ho jowa don't try it anymore. So on another fois so Monica this 2019 Monica emi ro ya we mi si because me gwa ta wo ma na wo ma dan wa no mi ya no ko no re ma dan no ya o ge dan emi so ro Monica yan we alerun na we no ma ese unu Monica ayele no ya gwe ma gun ayele live video won ayele no ya gwe ma gun ayele live video e ha wewe nunu we ya be na mi ya ro we ma de ru ya kare ya kwa no e ga koma jo wo bo mo tama we na Monica ayen di we no ya gwe ma gun o me live video nu because ma igwale e ma mi o ma na awe mi una ha mama ni we e na no una we kirevo we emi soro Monica u reserve u wa tell adian no it's very bad uteji we ba so pa be dere oni you are going to 40 now yan we full at 40 is full forever e ga atemi popa ma we emi gwa kana o emi no kan this lady no re UK emi no ta mai bi dame yo I was me wa vie na we akan Monica emi na no tala dia wonu na emi no matter mama una love woman ni emi na tabi live video we ke ni gwari e so iya wo mami ai ga titi ne ai mi na mi so o ma no titi ni we no titi ni udo agbenegbe we jegbe no do titi kwa we no ma ya titi kwa woka o titi kwa wokoro o ma iga titi ne ana iga ye me we ne emi ya we mo pa set it at live video no Monica erio and irudu we ne Monica na fe ina be tie bo no da fo I watch a video ni bo we na o we o gero baladian o we o da fo we na hu hear you we ma hear you we a family o wa hear you we ya no we but irudu we na mo bo tie bo no da fo we do we Monica do we o di me o wa di me it's painful because some no ma pa enva yan wari eni yan wa ya go kian ado draw yan do design yan amujomure which is very bad eni ya wa ga fi pe weji Monica owo ko na nu wata na we yan ri ekidi yan mari ekidi ni meta mo wa ai mi ke eni soro yan we o ma no ma emie o ta we yan mie ne eni soro yan ha operate we hospital una are that bed ni yan ila we gbe we ne They will not tell you, yeah, operate well. Why you're the name of time where my operating now because of danger. We no ga ajebani. It was very bad. Oje ma yari na ni jebani re. Don't woni yen we a kidney or yen ga ma. Ti anje e force yen yari yen. O e love no ya lele. O e love no ya lele no wa do ya gbe na me live video. Eni asunu e lawyer re bani. You fight for yourself. Well, sorry, you fight for yourself. Na mule live video do ata mama we erinya we beniana erinya ma we beniana inya do eri inya ma do eri ana me we wa get inya ri ehin we wa get cause emi so ogelesu nu gbe so we inya ri emi your mind gbere aya we the test emi na ni inya ri ye gbe ni re ni oje ma inya make inya dice inya wrong and inya must so inya for it. Anyone na me so our operator when em na ni journey is very danger na ni osie na money na me different problem without money man cause em so wa run na where ru we gbe but again na ya operate when you do dekun no need for you to sign in ya gwa ye because in ya ni ya em ni ya o while you're in there they tell you where em ni ya o we gbe we they must tell you Okoni we in ya de mi jin gbere we em na ni ga anwu na be gbe yan oh go to court yes abe no operate ni den wa gi gbinaji wa gi kan brusu bu we wa gi kan bi Monica bu we yan wa mu yan mu gogo hian Monica agbeyegbe full at 40 is full forever Ima wonu ega because when me mention kama we Monica ila live video no e mo pay tenant inu a limit anye mi nuta ga ene ya wa ro we medi wo wa vule la dia mo Monica lobo I can say it no Monica erio o da wa re anything nuru dia go affect your children atama we ni o wetin amaleki we ima hate we wo se me wo gian me but emi so ro nu nuji nu wa gbonuji is very bad don't do it Waha advice oma be who advice oma o be me so no ha be advice ya be tabi live video what you call the person what you go gwan if no pass through na if e mama be na no be set be no carry awore ege mi no be e ya we mi so Monica eje na e me surprise we ladian all the time you who can we be the why wala dian de gbe do ri no pa we no pa verse ma we make up many people like make up nu many people like wa genu ve do verse yan we oyi na wa ya lo kere wa be change wa won awe ni gan we je mi no ma gan we Monica for this one tomorrow na Monica next tomorrow na Monica o ma gu we gun awe bi ari emi o na ho I'm your man just one man limit when ima only am bad name here have a limit I'm your man so Monica that is that because I want na pe da fun we here ni wo see we when I be gbogbo here here your best here because on you know egbe or we are marry single mother ya fe yan amuyan no do when won pa kan message eri un la tian we ho ya we ni bia be ya mare ho we so I bright agwan say because ima only do attack you all the time really ima respect your wife o ni no me mo you respect abi ho we respect yan because here na wo gwale Monica ma gwalo we the truth o keke na ta Monica ma o ma tie we wo ya tie do we live video live video ni yen we don't wanna report we my Monica call enu gwegun we Monica re mi pa no video na o we do ba yen be ba ni ona be awe no ma gba we tie as sister Monica na no na e ma we be change we fi we ga mo boy ahen we video ni so wo gwa lo o ma gwa lo we so nu do ya tie but not that phone e bright o bia be we no so don't do that. Cause ula dia be na ni wa ro bi oda fun wa temi ya wa ti Monica me la dia na no do ti obo kan we so ma o bege no to tage wa ya silinya bosilinya we la dia e bright bi uwe na wo pia uwe na wo pia because so pia e bi even no ya bi even na Monica no gu we gwan no ti ebo no wa ti ebo na gbe be wu kole of overi oni o bi eri me ye ho e de agbe e gbe do ladia no we gbe do ata oni eri ma o bi na ebu o we gbe nu we wu na ado ati woman rapper. So stop having rubbish in uni. Face your family. Because Italian gwalema no wina 8 hours ya we do maseti do me mi ovenu hando ya we live video. We mi obia no Italy no wa we gbenu we una. Ola live video be no la ba kwa la bi ya kwa la be de no pa. Di do na me ho fe ofu ni ari enu ani. Ya we live video ya vive we vi ari pa ko joking ya jinya ya ku. Mo wo kan we la dian. Wa ya enjoy the kenanari e bogaki. What is one ahun we rubbish no wuni. So why ga we o ma agwa mani gwa face to face e di neze we gbe ladian o do aro yo da fun no to tage o ma we da we wa like fair bright o ma we da wo like because o ha we ma ge we nu je nu ati ebonema be no da fe Monica ma me ge Monica. So my brothers and sisters, why we move on here? But me kere ni woni wa betana. Your voice may be clear kere. Ya wa bega be rubbish now damn. So many people are tired. Untouchable mama, break your face. We want me know you. Ina we mi okpa wana ti e no da for me. O ma ni igwa le se kenoje, ri meje. Because I have something to lose. Me no da fi meje ka ke bi me wa number 1. O se ina wa ko wa igwa we e adio ne ya ti e bono wa. But o ma na we no we no so no me. I like because I like obia no robi ohu. I like at all. Obia ni na igwa ti e bono ohu ni. Ohu awe mi mani ko ma mo nu ma. O ma no obia no mo ho wa won e wo ohu unu ya je. Ta e mi eni nya ta. So uzo bo aye ba ni because we ya ga e ri o teme no ho ha me aje. E ri o mo ha me be duwe. So we be onu baba ni re wa wo ko gbadua adu afi adu ati ene eri no pa we hand e Monica wa omo gbe wa the same age so e ti e bono da fun ani o ma gie benu we no wo kun we ma me gi we benu we do ate rubbish be live video ni o kan we ma me gie we so wa respect gbugba ni ma respect o ko no wa odo no ri wa yo wa ko no wa ri yo wa gi yan fi lu pe gi yan u da we rubbish no wa o Monica, I know say Monica out too much. Because don't know e mama no. Emi no kan wa ge mi no kan iyen we fe your tie wo no na. E ma ka no fe your tie wo no na. O ma gwa le fe ye fe ya gwa le. But o ka ke na mi we Monica. O ri egba ele because when we yan we o ma ne mo etiti o ga temi here awa mu go very not a tiger different o can do mo ari do another place Monica bete me nwe osio eni osio no na ya leje na ni aseti kinu gba ne lolo e la de live video Monica wa la de de dem no gitare ma I made a limit if you want to come down maybe once a week wa la de once a week once a week because here who water where you don't have something to lose you have something to lose my dear if we one which is very bad here o ma kenya I want like me yan journey we hata we yan like YouTube yan wala ba ni see my mommy ye mi na gbenjo here wala we no it's bad ado aruda we ati bonere yan we mommy thank you I just saw one video on YouTube someone was just insulting my dad thank you mommy time very only Monica. Use your brain, Monica. Use your brain. Many men grown-up children, you were grown-up children. Use your brain. Change. If you know if that family, which is very bad. I behave. My bear say when you love, no ekoya woge. No we na ekoya woge because again different character women because egwa le no ton e no ti on da fon when I wa ti e bon no ni pa on da fon o wa le pa obi e wa ri e tan. Because e gwa lo we unji aladian unji we saladian no area we me Monica so stop try no stop yen we all logo because o ma no me pepper body but who limit yen wa bia no ma no ka ho no do a ude mo no bia ni do a me o do a limit many things so limit so I feel bright mind your business wa ho ya marry 100 wife u ya we u kan seti we boma na u ya total your boy ya marry odo ni abi ku awe single mother sinya bobekun wa ha verse in a way when am you bia no mama dia be mi oku no mama so abi ku ma ikpe so wa ro no wa useless on your born your wa ore ba no mo kan ya nwena gie o mo kan ze nwena egbe wo ha ma we ye kun ye prefer ni ye wa single than he ya ta we mo do So if you wa advice him say one a single mother ebi o ma mi o ma na ya hin single mother menu we je ni ya me sha me na o kun gbe na ga oti me do ye ba ni re ne bo se gbe rubbish ni yan wa me po ma se no fivu wa ti e bo ne family no na mo do ro bi o han we buy for what meaning where we respect. So stop it. My brothers and sisters from Motoshebo Mama, remain blessed. Iwa oni wa beru letter mu wa just a little thing. Eto la yan wo he no ri yo han beri ne he beri but efei wa we gbero bi ohuo. You will have problem with me. You take any man born of woman not ye born ohuo. No. You take and egi ko face we. Ohuo face we wo agwale kenu alela. Ubego ogive one no re Germany. Ubege ohu afe so ma wo agwale kenu alela aleru no hu aleru no ma e no tie bo no ma so weti la dia no do arobi ohu all the time Monica by the first woman work at Ebona ukabeti name some of them like that, which is very bad. Who wala dia wa ti okwe pi when we na me pi wo wa because all women are pi all women pi ya hin na time we wa bia women bia shawo wa bia full current any ata be gani wo wa. So stop a nonsense in no ni stop it because all who wear gold all them useless. No, all women are the same. They cannot respect no wo we the no go ma so sabru sa me na wa be Monica be wa we tie born egbe be there oni ofo wa ni o ma ladian the next day when ladian we gbedo arobi oda fun is bad. It's very bad. Wa mi oda fun eni igbo o han gwe face to face. Do that way Monica ya hin slippers or when we ya hin slippers no wa igba yo gbare wo we. So my brothers and sisters from Motoshebo Mama, remain blessed. One love. I have a make baby dobe. So help me to share the video, the audio to Monica and Efei Bright. O no yin ke talire wa ha me Efei Bright we maniki talire mari efu aberi oni. Ima emeni mata ola merere. So when e ga bi efe na gini ati eni. The man do I feel look beg you no re yo wa for waiting ru there rubbish no yin pay we self. We man value when he say gonna pay we. Nonsense. Bye bye. Watch out. One love. Bye bye.